Now, whether or not you're a fan of New Balance or even know the brand that they collaborated with on these special edition sneakers, the real question is, why would a guy with a minimalist style, mostly neutrals in his closet, who hasn't had a pair of New Balance since he was like 15 or 16 years old, buy a pair of these bright, multicolored, retro, ugly dad shoes? That's the real question, and I got answers for you after this intro.
Ooh, I'm a pretty man. Ooh, that's that ugly style.
Now, let me explain myself. Reason number one here is because I'm a huge fan of this brand, and this is my first time actually buying anything from them. Not New Balance, but I mainly on Doré, aka ALD. It was started back in 2018 by a guy named Teddy Santis, and I would describe them as like a more minimal kith. The founder is very much inspired by that classic era of streetwear in the 80s and 90s, so you're gonna find a lot of that in the imagery they use for inspiration, in the pieces they choose to make, and lastly, for what makes them stand out the most, their styling. Because by and large, you look at this brand, they don't make anything special. You're talking jackets, t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, sweaters, pants, like your basic brand stuff. And the one thing that stands out every single season from ALD, for me personally at least, is their accessories. We're talking posters, water bottles, necklaces, socks, pins, floor mats, you name it, these guys make it, but the way they put it together, it's not like Supreme where they're just slapping their name on anything. Everything feels very nostalgic with this effortless sophistication to it. It's like a subtle flex on the world. Even the way they shoot stuff and put it on the website, it's just perfect. But anyway, let's get to these shoes. So as you can see, these 827s are mostly white, and you have these bold colors as accents, and that's one of the main reasons why I got these as opposed to the other two colorways, yellow and red, which are ridiculous in my opinion. I would never wear those, but these do bold in a way that isn't overdone in my opinion. You have this mesh as the base fabric here, that's all white. Then this off-white suede-ish material. And the reason why I call it suede-ish, because it's not real suede, it's like a technical material. So I'm a little worried about the mesh getting dirty really fast, but the actual suede-ish stuff, I don't mind spilling water or something on it because it's not real suede. So it's not really gonna affect it. And then you just have this perfect balance of accent colors all throughout the shoe. It feels very, very 90s. Even looking at the sole here with the color block tread, it just feels fun. It feels from a different era. And because this is an actual functional running shoe, you have the 3M accents throughout, and it just makes a beautifully balanced shoe. Now, as a recap, the reason I got these is one, I'm a huge fan of ALD. I have been since the beginning. Two, I've been wearing New Balance since high school, and in fact, I had a pair in college too. So it's been like 8 to 10 years since I had a pair, but here we go. I got one now. And three, they're bright, but not too bright for a subtle guy to wear. I feel like if I wear all neutral tones, I can pull these off. So those are the main reasons. And besides that, I mean, the vibe, man. I mean, that's why they sell out so fast. I mean, people just resonate with it. If this brand resonates with you, drop a comment. If you ever heard of this brand before or not, let me know. I wanna know how many of my people that subscribe to my channel knew about them already versus the ones who didn't. And if you hadn't known about them before, what's your opinion? Let me know what you think about them. And that's really all I got to say in this video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.